Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a turmeric mask on my face by Bella Rose Beauty Collections, of course. Before I get into the video, I wanted to show you guys my skin. I know y'all can see that, that's terrible, but so I've been breaking out a lot lately, but only like in my cheek area. Now that could be caused by a lot of different things. For instance, I wear my hair down and in my face a lot, so all the oils and moisturizers from my hair is rubbing against my face, so that could be an issue. Also, it's really important to change your pillowcase like maybe 2 to 3 times a week, and then also when you're washing your face, the towel or the rag that you're using to dry your face needs to be clean. I really don't know. And then also like the fact that we wear masks, because I'm not breaking out anywhere else but this area, that could be an issue as well. I don't really know why, but I'm not liking this, so I'm gonna, you know, do what I gotta do to get rid of it. Before you apply a mask on your face, you want to make sure that your face is clean. So I'm gonna be using my Turmeric and Kojic facial cleanser, if it wants to focus, and then the turmeric mask that I was telling you guys about, this one right here. Okay, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face really quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I apply the face mask. So I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about this mask that I'm using. I can't speak properly today, like okay, whatever. So this will help to get rid of pesky acne and hyperpigmentation scars, and the key ingredient in this product is obviously turmeric, because you know it's a turmeric mask, which naturally helps get rid of dark spots as well as brighten your skin, leaving it clear, soft, and radiant. So yeah, y'all definitely need to get on this. I'm just gonna wash my face off for the most part. It's been over 10 minutes actually, because I don't think it's gonna hurt if I leave it on longer, so. But it's dry for the most part. I'm just gonna wait till like this part dries a little bit, and then I'm gonna wash it off, and then I'll be back. So now that I've taken off the mask, I'm just gonna do my regular skin routine. And if y'all want to see that in depth, I have a video of that. I'll link the description below, but yeah, so just keep watching. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Wow, that's it's like it got worse. You gotta trust the process, you know what I mean? Like, you just gotta trust the process. Like, I really want to cry right now, but it is what it is. My face feels great, it feels amazing, but just gotta trust the process, right? On top of using Bella Rose Beauty Collection, I'm gonna be drinking, or trying to continue drinking, a lot of water. I know, like, sometimes I eat a lot of sweets, so that also has an impact on my face. But I'm gonna be making another video. I'm gonna keep you guys updated and just see how my skin improves over the weeks. And please, you guys, feel free to comment down below some suggestions that you guys have for me, any videos that you guys want to see me do. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I came to the natural light because I was standing in front of my ring light, but I wanted to show you guys like how bad it really is. Just in case you didn't get to see it. Like, it's awful. Oh my god. But yeah, okay. Bye!